So specifically for this hackathon, we are working in a healthcare use case with a hospital. With synthetic data, we aim to unlock the data to be able to make it available for analytics.
We have been working with a large cheese factory in the Netherlands to do a challenge for the SAS Hackathon. We try to combine the data to optimize the cheese production process.
We participate in the SAS Hackathon for Curamare. Curamare is a healthcare provider, and the challenge is to more accurately predict their staffing costs.
Our case was about making the carbon credits industry a little bit more transparent.
I think with these kind of collaboration, if you really want to integrate two platforms, I think the key is to really collaborate together. The moment that we came together in one office, in the same role, actually we were able to solve quite a lot of challenges